Okay, this is Peugeot 408 2012 version, installed for Cogoo CG-009AD2, 2GB RAM with 16GB storage. Okay, installed with the 408 normal screen casing. So fixed with Cogoo 9-inch big screen Android GPS player. The screen will fix outside of panel frame. Okay, support for the steering control. Let me show you for steering control. So steering control. Okay, plug and play socket. Plug and play OEM Canbus Socket. This is full menu. You have to go to setting, turn on your phone hotspot, connect with player Wi-Fi, connect for internet. Android version 7.1, 2GB RAM with 16GB storage. Log in a Gmail to download app from Play Store. Bluetooth pairing for Bluetooth call, and click for the BT music icon for Bluetooth music. Set CAN bus for Peugeot 408. About car, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage. Factory setting, password 8317. Do the CAN bus setting, automotive type. Executive touch. So back car setting, you can do the setting. Okay, nighttime driving, you can turn off the screen. Touch anyway to press it on. Android player, you have to clear apps. Clear it one by one. Or press here, clear all. Radio. So you can change different frequency and save it. Okay. So 9-inch Cogoo Android Plus series, CG-009AD2, 2GB RAM with 16GB storage. It's got a 2 USB slot. 2 USB slot we'll put in a drawer. Okay, no DVD, no SD card version. Screen fixed outside panel frame. OEM Canbus Socket plug and play. Okay, installed by one piece. Thank you.